Guess what I just did? I just recorded 5 minutes of not recording. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Jess. Thanks for coming to see what other crafty things I'm doing today. Today, I'm going to be showing you a diamond painting kit that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now, I don't know why I didn't think about this, but I didn't know that Hobby Lobby had diamond painting kits. Even though I knew Michaels did, I go to Michaels way more than I go to Hobby Lobby. But I was watching YouTube, of course, and I saw diamond painting grandma or diamond painting with grandma. You guys know who I'm talking about. She's super sweet. I was watching her and she said something about, hey guys, go check out because Hobby Lobby this week had 40% off. And then she said Diamond Art Club. And I was like, what? Okay. So this is my first, you'll see the title. This is my first Diamond Art Club diamond painting. Okay. I like this crafts, the diamond painting craft, but I'm just starting out. I have 6 or 7 done. I started literally in the end of December, like the week before Christmas is when I started diamond painting. Right now I have a stash of like 15. I have about, like I said, 6 or 7 done, and I'm only doing things that I actually like. So I'm not going to do like on trend. Like, I really don't like doing faces unless the faces represent myself or my kids or something my kids like cartoons or something like that. But anyway, that's just what I like, and I'm going to be hanging these up in my home. So that's why I'm doing them. For gifts, for giving as gifts, and hang up in my home. You guys know that I have one working on for my mom. The video is linked, the video will be linked below. That one is like a whip and chat that I was doing. I have the Bob Marley one that I just finished for my brother. His birthday's in May, but I finished it. And I have one that I'm working on for a coworker, boss at work, and her birthday is in April. So I have to work on these. But Diamond Grandma said, I'm going to call it Diamond Grandma. Diamond Grandma said 40% off, and I was like, let me go check it out. Because I know there's discount codes that Diamond Art Club gives with, like, you know, affiliates and stuff like that. But I just still find that their kits are I just find their kits are not stuff that I kind of like all the time. So I just haven't found one where I was just like, oh my God, I like this. I have to get it for the cost. Okay, but when I went to Hobby Lobby, 40% off, this is the one I got. Okay, let's put it like this. No, let's put it like this, because I'm going to flip the video later. No, whatever. Okay, this is what, here it is. This one is called Each Tree Has a Soul. The box is glittery. It's a holographic box. There you can see it. Okay, okay, the reason why I got this one is look at the colors. Okay, colors look amazing. It's going to be a square, and I figured I like all those colors. I like trees. It's neutral enough. I will hang this in my house. Let's go for it. They did have some that were horses that I kind of was digging. I didn't like any of like the scenery ones. Like, I'm not in favor of the Chuck Pinsent, something like, you know who I'm talking about, the Chuck Along that people are doing. It's just not my style, because I wouldn't hang that in my house. It kind of reminds me of Kincaid, you know, where he paints with lights. That I kind of, yeah, but anyway, it's just not my style. So anyway, this is the one I saw. This is the one I picked up. It was 40% off. I would never have gotten it if it wasn't 40% off, because it was $55 regularly. So let me get into this. I've never opened up a Diamond Art Club kit before, so let's see what it is. I've seen unboxings, of course, but I've never opened it up. Okay. There's stuff in here. It's not coming out of the box. Okay. Okay. And I figured... Now, I figured that I would be, of course, getting one of the older toolkits. I don't need anything in this kit to be opened for making this, okay? Like I said, I started in December, but girls and guys and kids, I got right on it. I got tools. I didn't get trays. I didn't get fancy trays or anything like that, but I got a couple of pens from Amazon. I haven't dove into the wood turning, or like, I guess, like the Etsy pens yet, but I have been looking and I have been watching all those videos. So I'm excited, but I just haven't gotten there yet. So this is the Diamond Art bag. Everyone knows it. Here is the sticker. Everyone knows it. I don't know what I'm doing with this sticker because I don't journal anymore about, I might put it in my, planner, but I don't think I'm going to be doing anything with it, but we'll see. Bag. Oh, yes, it's soft. Okay. I don't know. I think I go crazy when people are like, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's so soft. Of course it's soft. Like, I don't know. I don't know why people are so amazed by it. Hold on one sec. Okay. I'm trying to fit this in frame where it's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. Hold on one second. Okay. I think we got it set up. That's my light over there. I had to totally move the camera because it was the kit is too big to have the camera on the table. Wow. This is really pretty. It's 47 colors, the most colors I've ever worked with. I think my next one before this was like 34. So, a lot of colors. A lot of colors. The canvas is sparkly. It's sticky. I don't think no one is surprised by those two things. Okay, everyone knows what this is, step-by-step instructions. A lot of people do videos on that. That's not what this one's about. This is my first impression video. Wow. It's a wow. Very sparkly. I can see it from here. It's crazy, the amount of sparkle. I mean, you guys are seeing. You guys know. Most of you guys know already. Let me just get the, whatchamacallits, the AB drills, okay? Anything less than 150 for Diamond Art Club are ABs. Here's my favorite, 550. Anytime there's a diamond painting with this one, it's going to be a good one. So, they don't put them in order. I don't remember. Oh, there's that mint that everyone talks about. Here's one. 130. That is a sunny yellow. 124. That is a pink. Ooh, that's not one. But I like that yellow. That one I did already. And there are 1, 2, 3... oh, that was it. That was the 3 AB drills. Look at these colors. Oy, oy, oy. So pretty. Ooh, I've never had this one yet. I mean, not that I've had all of them, but that one, I like the color, and I've never had that. So, very nice. Ooh. I picked a good one, I think, to start with, just because I know from watching all these YouTube videos and people who have Diamond Art Club before and have a lot of kits that there's going to be a lot of leftovers. So they're saying, oh yeah, with my leftovers, I really incorporate them into other kits if I'm not loving the color that it comes with. Now, these are square, so I don't have a lot of square paintings, but, I'm gonna be doing this for a while, so I'm assuming I'll gather some. I want to see where this one is. This is 312, so let's look. Is a number 7. 7. Oh wait, I lied. It's number 7, but it's an N. So down here in the water, you guys cannot see the water. There we go. It's not the best, people, okay? My goal is to get to the diamond. Oh my God, you know what? Look at that. Look at the reflection. Because this is water right here. It's like the grass line. I don't think I saw that that was a reflection. And it wasn't until I looked up into the camera. Wow. I like it. You guys know all about the Diamond Art Club canvas. We have the 2 legends. It tells me how many colors. We have the info down here saying that it's official. We have social in the middle, coupon codes, everything. You guys all know it. Everyone reviews these. It's a great company to find your diamond art, to find your diamond painting kits on. I just think this is very, very colorful. I can't wait to do this so it can be in my house. I will be doing, of course, whip-in chats when I do get to them. Like I said, I'm working on a couple of gifts, so this is not going to start probably until early summer. I have, yeah, so early summer. But I love it so far when I kit up. I mean, look at that. That's 666. It is so, I don't know. Is this plastic, like even better plastic than the other kits I've been getting? It's so crystal clear. Oh, I love, look at that. I'm excited. I'm excited to do it, and I'm also excited to have the leftovers. I don't know, can you guys do me a favor? Comment below and tell me what you do with your leftovers. Do you throw them out? Oh, do you, what do you do with them? Just tell me what you do with them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. When I get to this one, you guys will see it. Follow me on Instagram, Crafty Scrappy Mamas. I will link that below. That's it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.